All right, the stem and leaf plot shows the numbers of minutes the members of a team jump rope during practice. What is the difference between the least number of minutes jumped and the greatest number of minutes jumped? What is the word difference? Tell me. It means to subtract. I'm going to underline that word and put a subtraction symbol above it. You have to know vocabulary. Those words are never, ever, 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 ever going to go away. So I need to look at my what next?
Your Emily plot.
What all this Emily plot am I going to look at?
The least and the greatest number.
Before I'm going to do that,
You're gonna look at the key.
look at the key. Are these fractions? Are they decimals? Are they whole numbers? What does it mean?
Whole number.
They're whole numbers. 3 line 6 means 36 minutes. So I want the least number of minutes jump roped and the greatest number.
66.
So I'm going to write least number of minutes greatest number of minutes. All right. Am I going to find my greatest number of minutes at the very, very top? No, my greatest will be my biggest stem in the very last leaf. So my greatest stem is
66.
my greatest stem is
66.
my greatest stem
6. Oh,
6.
6.
My biggest leaf on that stem is
6.
my greatest number of minutes jumped is 66 minutes. My least number of minutes jumped. What is my smallest stem?
Wood.
1. What is my smallest leaf?
9.
On the 1, okay?
It's not that small.
19 minutes. When I subtract these, can I do 19 minus 66?
No.
Now what am I going to have to do?
66.
66 minus 19. My answer is what?
47.
47 minutes. Questions, comments, concerns?
Alphabet.
Anyone not understand how they got their answer?
No.
Anyone missed it and not know why? Okay. The graph shows the number of students at 5 schools who ride the bus to school. Based on the graph, how many students ride the bus to Woodlands, Hillcrest, and Lakeview schools? How many schools are listed?
3.
How many schools are listed?
How
How many
5.
schools am I concerned about?
3.
So I want Woodlands, Hillcrest, Lakeview. So I'm gonna look, I want Woodlands, Hillcrest, and Lakeview. Do I care about Elm Grove and Forest Lake?
No.
I'm gonna put a line through that because I don't care. Okay, Woodlands is how many students?
250.
The next one is in between 200 and 250. I had an amazing question earlier. Well, what is that amount?
225.
If you did not know that, what could you do to find that though?
Divide by 2.
So you're going to take from here to here is how many? What's the difference between these two numbers?
There's 50 on one and there's
There's
none on the other.
50. Hold on, please. Guys, don't answer the question you think I'm asking. Listen to what I'm asking you. What is the difference between these two numbers?
One's 50 and one's not.
Okay, so if I subtract, what does difference mean?
subtract. So
So
that
if I
means it would
subtracted, I would get
50.
50. Between here and here, how many lines are there? One. So I need to divide because that means there's two parts, right? So one part, two parts until I get to 250. So I'm going to divide 50 by 2.
And you get
get
25.
So that means these lines are going up by
25.
25. So this will be 25. That's 50. 50 plus 25 is
75.
It's counted by
100.
quarters. 100 would be then 125, 150,
175.
175, 200,
225.
225, 250. Okay, so Hillcrest is
225.
225. Lakeview is
300.
All right. Am I looking for my total?
Yes.
So I'm going to do it with my amounts.
Uh,
Why can't I multiply?
because it'd be way too much.
There's not way too much, but are they equal groups?
No.
Okay, so I cannot multiply them
It'd
by
be
3.
millions.
No. Okay, hold on, please listen. It's not because the numbers are too big. That's not why you can't multiply them. You need to make sure you understand that. You cannot multiply these together because it's not equal groups. I'm not saying each school has 250 kids. If that was the case, I could do 250 times 3, right? Make sure when you're answering, you're understanding why. Not because those are big numbers. That is not why we're not multiplying. So how many students attend these 3 schools?
700 and 700.
That ride the bus to these 3 schools. Okay. Questions, comments, concerns?
Nope.
Oh, damn.
All right. Simile plot. This shows the scores of 8 people at a dance contest. What is the difference between the highest score and the lowest score? What am I going to look at first?
Key.
The key. Does this mean a whole number, decimal, or fraction?
Decimal.
They're decimals. I want the difference. That means to subtract between the highest score and the lowest score. Highest score is my greatest stem and the biggest leaf on that stem. So the highest score is highest.
Yeah.
What?
9.7.
Yes. And the lowest is the smallest stem and the smallest leaf on that stem. 6.8. Difference means to subtract. Ma'am? Yes. What did I do? Hold up.
Hold
I'm
up.
just making sure y'all are paying attention. I'm over here messing up. No one's even helping me out.
Oh, sorry. 17 take away 8 is 9.
There we go.
I kept thinking 8 minus 6 is 1.
What?
I could never
Oh
answer
my
it.
gosh. Did I do this right again?
Yes,
Yes,
you
you
did
did.
right.
8
Yeah.
minus 6 equals 1.
Guys, it's been a day.
I couldn't even get the
It hasn't even started.
I know.
I don't
Last
know. I couldn't get
night,
it.
guys, I'm like
I
for
couldn't
real.
subtract it.
Last night,
hot.
I was like arguing with my sister-in-law. Today is Tuesday, and she was like, Allie, it's Monday. And I was like, no, it is not. It's been Tuesday. She's like, look at your phone. It says Monday. And I'm like, okay, you're right. Like, I'm just losing
But
track.
today is Tuesday.
Yes, but last night
That's
was
not was
Tuesday.
Monday.
Last night I was arguing with today. That last night was Tuesday. questions on this?
No.
Okay, cool.
Comment.
One more. The dot plot shows the numbers of pets that the students in class own. What fraction of the students in this class have 2 or more pets? Okay, first, I want to talk about this 2 or more. Am I including 2 or am I
Yes.
one only above 2?
Including.
I am in, when it says 2 or more,
That means
I'm including that amount and
More.
more in this case. It could be less, but this one is more. Okay, let's talk about what the parts of a fraction stand for. This, the denominator, would stand for what?
How many pets are
How many?
Students.
every single school did.
These are number of pets, right?
Yes.
So this would be the total number of pets then, right? Not the total number of students, but the total
Number of
number of pets.
pets.
Okay, my numerator is what?
The 2 or more pets.
2 or more pets. So how many pets are in this?
16. There's
1,
24
2,
in the whole
3, 4,
thing.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18,
20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
Ooh, hold on.
That's
This is a total. This is the total number of students surveyed. I'm sorry. Total number of students surveyed that have that many pets.
Then there's 24 students in class.
Yep, I had 24 my first year. Okay, how many students have 2 or more pets?
I thought you said you taught all of them.
16.
In my homeroom of each.
There's 16.
There are 16 in here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. But my answer is not there.
Let's simplify.
What are you going to make for your star test that's going to help you simplify this?
Tell
me, Tristan.
Your multiplication chart.
Yeah, it's your multiplication chart. So,
Thirds.
do I have 16 on top here?
No.
16 on top here?
Yes.
24 underneath it?
Yes.
It simplifies down
Two
to
thirds. Yay.
Stop yelling!
See.
And count by 8 to it, and it'd be 8, 16, 24.
That's
See
correct.
for
Okay,
questions.
questions,
Comments.
comments,
Concerns.
concerns.